Hello everyone, I am GLKU Old Iron. Today, we bring you the new SFrog E400 excavator standard version. Let's introduce the functions and details of this new product. It is equipped with an X14 remote controller. As you can see, what we have here is the first unit, with the serial number 001. The serial number here can also be used when the machine malfunctions. The serial number can be used to query the remote controller parameters. Thus making it more convenient to handle after-sales services for you. You must replace it with this vent oil nozzle before playing. During transportation, it is a sealed oil nozzle plug. If you play without replacing it with the vent oil nozzle, it will cause the oil pipe to burst. This excavator uses pound 32 hydraulic oil. After getting all these preparations done, you can power on the excavator and start playing with it. This machine uses a battery with an XT60 connector. We use a 3S battery with a capacity of 5,200 mAh. We just need to connect the power supply properly. This E400 excavator is equipped with a one-button start power device. Before turning it on, let's take a look at the exterior details of the cockpit. The entire cockpit is manufactured using CNC technology. And these are all glass. Just like the glass on the ZX135, it's designed to give the machine a better texture. The window glass can be slid open. The interior is made of ABS material. The internal details are also abundant, highly restoring the real vehicle. This is the power switch of the excavator. The cockpit is also equipped with a sunroof. The sunroof of the cockpit can be opened as well. There is a warning light on the top of the cockpit. The searchlight at the rear of the cockpit. Then we'll turn on the excavator's power. Before turning on the power, you need to switch on our remote control. And make sure that our hydraulic knob, S1, is in the 0 position. Only in this way can we start our machine correctly. After turning on the power, you can also see that our LCD screen lights up. The display screen can show some parameters of the excavator. You can check if the battery power is sufficient on it. If the power is insufficient, an alarm will sound as a reminder. There is a protective net for the cockpit at the front of the cockpit. There are also decorative parts such as rear view mirrors, which restore the details of the real vehicle. To turn on the warning light, toggle the T1 button on the external remote control to the left. Toggle the T1 button to the left once more to turn off the warning light. To turn on the arm lights, toggle the T3 button upward. The arm lights will then turn on. The lights at the side toolbox will also turn on simultaneously. Next, we'll turn on the cockpit lights. The switch is on our T3 button. Push the T3 button downward to turn on the cockpit lights. You can see that the front searchlights of our cockpit have been turned on, and our cockpit's rear searchlights are also on. Of course, this is our standard version after being equipped with upgraded configurations. The default standard version is not equipped with lights or a display screen. It is also not equipped with a sound system. If you want your machine to be equipped with all these functions, you can contact us to upgrade it when purchasing. Next, we'll demonstrate the effect of the sound system. To activate the horn, toggle the T1 button to the right. The sound is activated by the southeast knob. When the sound is turned on, the audio will sync with our operation actions. Let's take a look at the sound effects of the synchronized operation. The T2 button is for adjusting the volume. Toggling it upward increases the volume. Toggling it downward decreases the volume. The S1 knob is for our hydraulic adjustment. The S2 knob is for adjusting the brightness of the remote control screen. Turning the S2 knob counterclockwise dims the screen. Turning it clockwise brightens the screen. Adjust the brightness of the remote control screen as needed. Next, we'll demonstrate the operation of the crawler travel. Tracks move on the two side wheels of the remote control. You can see that the crawlers are metal widened crawlers. The metal crawler guide rails are equipped with ladders, which restores the details.
The driving motors for movement. The crawlers are equipped with an adjustable crawler tensioning mechanism. The crawler tension can be adjusted using a ratchet wrench. With high tension, it is less likely to derail. The tensioning stroke is long, allowing the entire crawler to be disassembled and assembled without the need to remove the pins. It not only facilitates the replacement of the crawler, but also allows adjustment of the crawler's natural sag according to personal preference.